So you have to open your AWS console, and this is my ECR repo, and this is my Jenkins CI, which I am using as a latest one. So I'll copy this one, but at first let me create an EFS. So I'll create an EFS here. Just open it and new tab. I'll just create an EFS. So for EFS, there should be EFS. Just let me see what's my okay. So in my EFS, so this is my EFS for an instance. So there is one security group also here. So I'll just open up my security group. So at first, open up security group. This is the security group I have created. So in this security group, if you can see here, I have added port 8080, port 8080 and NFS port, like NFS port for this default security group. I'll show you how to add that also. This uh, cre- for now I'll just create a new security group. Just uh, EFS new SG security group. Just let me see out. So what is my security group? Just a second, okay. So I'll create a new security group and I'll just give a description. Allow NFS system to have access, and I'll just add rule on it. So I'll just add custom TCP and give uh, uh one. I'll just add HTTP port to anywhere now, and then I'll just add my Jenkins port 8080 to anywhere, and after that I'll just click create security group for now. Then uh, after that this security group is created, I'll just go to my IAM role. I'll just create a create a, just a second, okay. I'll just attach my policy, like if you can see here, there is two policies, like one is task execution road policy and one is EFS driver policy, which I am using as an IAM role. So after that I will create a new file system here. I'll just give it a name as Jenkins test for an instance, or Jenkins test for the. So I am my security group is on default VPC, so I'm using my default VPC. So I'll just create it. So after that, after I did create it, no, it's not way to create the file system. I'll just delete this, sorry, copy. So this should be, so in network section, I'll just click on manage here, and I'll just uh, just a second, okay. It is creating it. It's still on creation process. So after creating, I'll just mount my security group. It's taking time. Just Okay, so for this, I'll just remove this security group and add my uh, EFS EFS group, EFS new EFS SG group one, and also for other new EFS SG group, and also uh, new EFS SG group for this mount points, and I'll just click on save. After that, it's done. I'll just go to my ECS service, and after that also uh, don't forget to add uh, in our new EFS SG, just add rule and just add NFS system for default 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 security group. After that, I'll just save it. Then after, I'll go to my task definitions. I'll just wait a second. That's not, so okay, so I'll just create a new task definition, and I'll just name that's a Jenkins task def. Then after that, I'll just use one CPU and 2 GB memory. Task role should be ECS task execution role, because because our policy has been attached. So I'll just name it Jenkins. So image URI should be our latest image URI. So this I'll just copy this image URI, and then I'll just create it, and please select with essential container. So container port should be our 8080 port. So after that, nothing is required. Just go down to add volume, and just click on EFS. So EFS volume should be Jenkins volume. So file system should be our Jenkins test file system. So leave as it is. We don't need to do anything. Just add mount point, select source volume and select container path should be root trust dash Jenkins. Okay, so uh after that, just also please check this advanced configuration and click on transit. Check that transit encryption on the volume section. Just in advanced configuration, tick the transit encryption. After that, other things is, I think other things is not required as much as I know. Uh, then we will just click on deploy. I'll just create a service. The service should be I'll just click on the cluster, and then platform version. Remember that platform version should be 1.4.0. uh, so after that, give it a service name Jenkins service, and desired task should be one. Then after that, it's you can leave other thing as default. I'll just create it, and after creation, just it's on pending status. Yeah, it's on pending status. Let's see the logs. Let's see the tags. So tags is on provisioning. So this should be running at first. Container should be running. Container is in pending status. Let's see. Let me see the logs. No logs till now. Let's see. Yeah, it's on running status. If you see the logs now, Jenkins is up and running. Now, if I go to networking, there is public IP. If I go to this network bindings and open up, so I can open this network binding address, and I can go to logs and see for my initial admin password. So this is my initial admin password. So I did create it. Just a second. No, just it's just taking time. Why it's taking time? It's taking too much of time. Just okay. So after that, I'll just paste my administration password, and I'll just install a suggested plugin now. So if I go here, just see the logs, what it happens. So this should be on running state. If you should see the task should be on running state. Yeah, it's running state, health and matrices. So once is running state, so this is running state, last deployment in progress. Task is running. There is no failure still now. If I can see, if I can see the logs here, deployment status. So this is in running state. Just let me see. So let's see if there is any unwanted logs. So it's complete initialization. So I just add an admin, give it a password. I'll just add it. Admin email address admin@admin. Just for test, I'll just save and continue, and just save and finish here. And I'll just start using Jenkins now. So after that, I am on the latest version of Jenkins. I'll just click a new item and click FFF test job, and it should call freestyle project. And I'll just echo no, build stable, just execute shell should be assets, echo hello. Yeah, that much only. I'll just save and I'll just build now. So click on build now. I'll just do that. So what did it fail? It did fail. Oh, sorry. Just a second, okay. Just click on configure, and then I can do, I'll just remove this one. I'll just echo hello world, and I'll just build. It should be succeeded by now. It succeeded. It said hello. Then after that, I'll just go to dashboard and add also one plugin. Uh, add plugin just for reference. I'll just click on available. Just add mm, mm, content security policy. For this one, I'll just click on install. Then it's installed. So I'll just restart Jenkins. After that, so let's see the logs if we found anything. Schedule listed all plugins. Yeah. Okay, the Jenkins has successfully restarted. Then after that, I'll just click on sign in admin, and I'll just go to my dashboard. So this is the test job that has not been out. So I'll just, what thing I can do is, for next deployment, I'll just stop its service. Okay, just I'll just delete this service. I'll just delete the service. I'll just say delete, and I think uh, I'll just force delete it, and then I'll just create a new service, and I'll just we'll create a platform version at this, and task definition should be Jenkins, revision should be one, and then should be Jenkins, and after that I'll just create a Jenkins service now. Oh, sorry. Already exist. Oh, sorry. So after, just a second, okay. Jenkins service doesn't exist. So I'll just create. I'll just create a new task. Give it a service name is Jenkins task definition. Give it a new Jenkins. Just for the reference, I'll just select platform version. Okay, all things cleared. I'll just do that, and after that, it should be on new Jenkins. One should be pending here. And if I do the tasks, it's provisioning. If I go to logs, yeah, the logs did came up, and I go to network bindings. I just open this one for now, but just see, container is not in running status. Yeah, container is in running status. It's also running status. Yeah, this is also running status. After I, so if I do like this, I will go to networking. Yeah, this is my IP address. What did happen? Yeah, so Jenkins has been started. So if I logged in with admin, and I got sign in, Yeah, nothing is lost. Yeah, see, you can see that. So after see, let's see for the plugins. Okay, let's see plugins, if any of the plugins were deleted or not. Let's open it a new tab. Why it's slow? I can check my plugin by this thing also. If uh yeah, I can do this. So see, if I see, yeah, there is plugin installed here. So if I say install plugin, see, I just go and see for yeah, see, this is the thing I have added. So that's it.